So hey Daddy's Treasures, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to see what we have going on today. I have a Victoria's Secret haul, some things that I want to show you that I got from Temu, as well as my last handbag concepts that I did. I was going to do a live, you guys, but I'm kind of babysitting, and you'll probably hear him babbling in the background. So I didn't want to get on the live and have to get off to see about him. So I wanted to just come on and show you guys what I have. So anyway, I went to Victoria's Secret yesterday because I realized, you guys, that I only had like two Bath and Body Works sets left. I didn't have any more Victoria's Secret. And I only had two sets of Bath and Body Works. I have a lot of individual like hand soaps and stuff, but I didn't have any more sets. So I went to Victoria's Secret yesterday because Bath and Body Works, their sale isn't as good. And I had some coupons for Victoria's Secret to make it a little bit better. So I went ahead and went there yesterday. So let me show you what I got. I got 20 different sets of Victoria's Secret. But I've already put a few of them in baskets already, so you'll see those when I get around to the handbag basket. So I got two of these Pure Seduction, the fragrance mist and the lotion. These two right here are the Pure Seduction. Then I got this Velvet Petals. I got one of those. I got the Velvet Petal Soul. One of those. I got Bright, what is that? Bright Mariposa, Apricot. I got that, the Seaside Surf. Then I got this, Pure Seduction Soul. And I got the, Island Rush. And like I said, I have a few other ones, and you'll see those in the baskets in just a minute. So, y'all, I got this right here, and I've had this for a little while, and I haven't mentioned it to you guys. If you guys have seen my last two holidays where we set up for the holidays, we are putting stuff under our table. So I haven't been able to use a tablecloth because I couldn't use a tablecloth with, putting stuff under the table. So I got these tablecloths here. I'm going to see how they work. And they just fit right on the top of your table. They don't go all the way down. They just fit around the top part of your table. So I got 4 of these. So I'm going to see how these work. And I got black and white just so that I can kind of see if I like these or not. I'm going to try one of them. I actually like the texture of it because it's vinyl. And so I'm going to see how I like that. Okay. So for spending $100, you guys, at Victoria's Secret, you get this this bag. So I was able to get the bag because I did spend $100 at Victoria's Secret. And this is what it looks like. It's a canvas bag. And of course, you guys know I'm going to use this in a basket. It's going to be another basket. So I'll use that and create another basket concept with that. I got these right here from Temu. I paid $2.50 for these because I got, like, there comes, what is it, 10 in a pack. And so I just got several different ones just to kind of, I didn't want a whole lot of each one. So I just got the 10 packs of these, and you guys see the colors that I got. Y'all hear him running around here making noise. I got these, and these are the colors that I got from Temu. Because like I said, I realized I'm using a lot more foam roses this time than I have. So I wanted to get some colors to kind of see how it will go. And then I got some of these little ribbons, and they say Mother's Day. And I was going to use those to wrap around some of my boxes. And I also have those cake boxes that I made for Valentine's Day that I'm trying to convert to Mother's Day. So I'm going to use these to wrap those. So I got 4 different colors. I got the white, I got the red, I got the light pink, and then I got like the bright pink. So I got those to do that. I got these little pins just to stick in my ribbon to keep those together. I got some more of the fairy lights to go on my Rose Bear boxes and to use in other things as needed. Of course, I got some more glue sticks, and then I got a measuring tape because I've been needing it off and on, so I got that. So y'all, I had a free item at Bath and Body Works yesterday, so I picked up this as my free item from Bath and Body Works because I have several Bath and Body Works candles, so I figured this would go nice. I can use this in a concept, and I got that for, it's a $16.95 item that I got for free as a reward. So I'm gonna use that in one of my basket concepts. So let me go over here to the other table, you guys, and show you my last 6 purse concepts. I put all of my large purses in baskets. So I am I'll be totally done once I wrap these up. I'll be totally done with my large handbags. And then I'll be able to go ahead and get started on my robes and my pajamas. Other than this, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna create something out of this. But I'll use that as part of, because I got 2 beach bags to do, so I'll just kind of do all those 3 together. But anyway, my handbags, this is my last 6. So let me go over here and show you what I have. Okay, you guys, so here are my last 6 of my handbag concepts that I worked on. I'm gonna start from the back. I'm gonna start from this one and go up. I had, as I told you guys, I have 2 of these purses right here. So I had one that I had that hat that I wanted it to go with. So I did that one, and then I used the other one without. So let me show you what I did. So I turned this purse. This is what the purse looks like, but I turned it backwards so that when you turn the basket around, you'll be able to see the front side of this purse right here. And so I have that in there. Then I have the hat, and I just kind of built my basket around this hat. I use this Pure Wonder Bath and Body Works shower gel and body cream. Then I had one of my wallets. This wallet came from Dollar General. It was $8, so I paid 80 cents for it. I got one of the sunglasses. These are a pair of the sunglasses that came out of my Walmart haul a couple days ago. And then here's a pair of the earrings from Temu. I had a pack of Caress soap, so it kind of matched that color scheme, because if you look close to this purse, it has like a brown tint to it. And so I wanted to kind of pull that brown, and that's the reason why I kind of pulled that gold, because I'm trying to pull that brown color that's in that purse to kind of feed off of that. And so I put that Caress soap in there, and that is the end of that concept. So here's the second one. I'm gonna scoot this one over. Since I didn't have the hat, I went ahead and used this wallet. This wallet came from Walmart. This came from my Walmart haul, so it was $1. I had some Dove lotion that I used in this one. I think I paid maybe $2 for this. Another bar of the Caress soap. Then I had one of these perfume sets that I got from Roses for $3. Another one of my sunglasses, and then the earrings from Temu. So I think that turned out to be a little cute little concept there. My next one is these 2 purses, or y'all remember the purse set that you guys told me to break up into 2 different concepts. So that's what I did. So this is the first one. Okay, you guys. So I split it up the way I did because these 2, I didn't realize until I started looking. These 2, the straps that are in there, they go to both of those. So you have to put these 2 together regardless, because there's straps that come with this set, and you you have to either use the straps on this one or on that one. So I went ahead and put those together because they require the straps. And then I put this little that little makeup bag to go with that as well, because I figured that fit that set good. I put this You're the One Bath and Body Works shower gel. I've got to go back to Bath and Body Works. I'm gonna go there today and get the either the body cream or the lotion to go with this, because they did start a sale that's $5.97 I think for body care items. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that to go with this, because that's all I have left is shower gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a body cream to go with that. I can't find my fishing line right now, but I'm gonna put this pearl necklace set in here. But I've got to put it on with my fishing line because it comes with a necklace, bracelet, and earrings. And so I want to put that in there. And once I get my fishing line and put that in there, that will be complete. And then I put a pair of my sunglasses from Temu in there to complete that concept. I think that's going to be a really, really nice concept once I kind of get that, my last couple pieces to go in with that. Okay, next, you guys, is the smaller bag in this set. It's the I don't even know what kind of bag you call this. And then the wallet and the this comes with like a, what is this? A key ring? Is that what this is, y'all? Whatever this is. I guess it's a key, like a key ring or something. What is this, y'all? I don't even really know what this is. But anyway, whatever this thing is, I stuck it in here to go with this bag and this wallet. Then I put a pair of my little eyelashes that I got from Pop Shelf for 10 cents. I put a pair of the sunglasses and the You're the One body shower gel. I'm not going to put anything else. I'm not going to put a lotion or anything in here with this because to me, it looks full and complete. And because it's a smaller concept, I feel like I can get away with not putting a two-piece set of Bath and Body Works in this one. So this one is complete. Once I put my shred and everything, I'm going to wrap this up, and that's going to be a complete set. Y'all, this next one is my favorite of all of these concepts that I have done. I love this purple, y'all. This purple is popping, okay? So, this is the purple purse from Temu. And I'm probably going to take this plastic off of the handles because I don't want that to take away from the concept. But I went ahead and put this in this gray bucket because I just didn't feel like the other, that wicker basket would do it justice. So I put it in the purple bucket. And then I used the white tumbler cup. I put my Victoria's Secret Love Spell, the body cream, and the mist in there. I had just gotten this purple Dove body wash, y'all, from Walgreens. I wish I would have gotten one more, y'all. That hit right on time. I had some of these little bath salts in the different colors. So it's like a 4 or 5 piece set. And I think I know you guys have seen me use these in other concepts, but I went ahead and added that to this because I just felt like it just added on. And then y'all look at this earring and necklace set. Y'all, this earring and necklace set from Temu just falls right into place. This is the wallet from Temu that I purchased. I paid $5 for this and $5 for this, roughly, and some change. And then I put a pair of white sunglasses in there just to kind of finish this off. I got this loofah, this purple loofah from Pop Shelf. Their loofahs are $1, y'all. And when I tell you I love this set just came together just beautifully. I love this once I wrap it up and put me a nice bow. Can we say 125? I love this set right here. Beautiful. So I'm excited about this one. My next one, last but certainly not least, is this marble white purse concept. or handbag, excuse me, and it comes with a white little wallet that goes in there. I use this Coastal Bliss from I'm sorry, from Victoria's Secret. Y'all, I just lost that thought just that fast. From Victoria's Secret. And I use this pink little rose bear, and he trying to tilt a little bit. I need him to get right. And so I think this turned out really good. I put that the back of that cream kind of, I put it on something so it'll sit up, and I'll kind of angle them. They're kind of leaning a little bit, but I'll fix them, you know, as I'm shrink wrapping them and everything. But anyway, I have these sunglasses and this watch set, and I think both of them. So I put these sunglasses in here with this watch set. Y'all tell me what you think about this watch set. I put it in there. I wasn't sure, but I felt like it could kind of go with this. But y'all tell me what you think about this concept. I'm kind of on the fence about using that watch set in there. Or if I should have used another color or something to kind of go with that marble. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys this. And of course, I use this gray tote because of the gray marble in that purse. I felt like that went together well. So these are, like I said, my last 6 concepts here. I think they turned out really nice. And they're going to make me a nice little piece of coin. Can you let me finish? And so, anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all tell me what you think. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, you guys, so that each and every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.